Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process of downloading GTA San Andreas on your PC or laptop. I'll also show you two different ways to download the game. So let's get started. First, open any web browser. In the search bar, type Rockstar Games and press enter. From the search results, click on the official Rockstar Games website. Once the website opens, look at the top right corner and click on the search icon. Make sure the game's category is selected, then type GTA San Andreas into the search box and press enter. After that, scroll down and click on GTA San Andreas to open its official game page. Once you're on the game page, on the top right, click on the Buy Now button. After that, complete your purchase and add the game to your Rockstar Games account. Now, let me show you the second method using Steam. If you already have Steam installed on your PC, open it. If not, you can download and install Steam first, then sign into your account. Once you're inside Steam, in the top right corner, click on the search bar and type GTA San Andreas, and the game should appear in the search results. Click on GTA San Andreas to open its store page. Depending on your region, you may be asked to enter your date of birth before accessing the page. Once the game page opens, scroll down and click on Add a Card. Then select View My Card, proceed to checkout, choose your preferred payment method, and complete the purchase. After purchasing the game, go to your Steam library. Find GTA San Andreas in your game list, and click the Install button. Steam will automatically download and install the game on your computer. And that's how you can download GTA San Andreas on any PC or laptop. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe to ClickFix Tech for more step-by-step tutorials and helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.